When we think about aviation propulsion, we usually picture a fixed set of solutions: propellers, rotors, or jet engines. Each of these solutions is optimized for a specific task, whether it is speed, efficiency, or lift. One thing that is in common for all is the fact that the thrust is fixed in one direction. To change the direction of the aircraft, something has to tilt, like wings, rotors, or control surfaces. But what if thrust is not locked into a single direction? What if an aircraft could generate force exactly where it is needed, instantly, sideways, backwards, or diagonally, without tilting or reconfiguring the aircraft structure? This is exactly where the CycloRotor comes into play. My name is Roey Epshtein and I'm Head of Engineering at CycloTech. With this video, I would like to explain to you about the technology behind our CycloRotors. A CycloRotor is a propulsion system consisting of multiple parallel blades rotating around a central axis. The combined airflow generated by all blades produces the thrust. What makes this system unique is that the airflow is not fixed. Both the direction and the magnitude of thrust can be changed 360 degrees around the rotor axis at a constant rotational speed. This approach allows us extremely precise control. Instead of using controlled surfaces like rudders and flaps, the CycloRotor allows us to direct the thrust itself to change direction. This enables maneuvers that are very difficult or even impossible with conventional systems. An aircraft equipped with CycloRotors can brake mid-air, fly sidewards or even backwards, or rotate around the yaw axis, and at the end transition from hovering to forward flight smoothly. This makes it ideal for gust weather conditions and flying in narrow corridors. One of the most common questions we get is whether CycloRotors are meant to replace existing propulsion systems. The answer is no. CycloRotors are not designed to replace propellers, rotors, or jet engines. They expand the aviation toolbox. They allow innovative design approach, unlocking new capabilities that conventional systems were never designed for. Instead of competing with existing technologies, CycloRotors introduce additional freedom and entirely new possibilities in aviation. They can be applied in different sizes and numbers, enabling novel applications and opening new markets. A CycloRotor is electrically powered. It can run on batteries, be integrated into conventional fuel systems, or even embedded into hydrogen-based systems. This combination of scalability and energy flexibility makes the CycloRotor a future-proof propulsion solution capable of adapting to evolving platforms, mission profiles, and energy strategies. At CycloTech, testing is an integral and embedded phase in the process of developing our first CycloRotor product. Our goal is to deliver a robust and reliable propulsion system for real aviation applications. To achieve this, we are executing a comprehensive verification and validation program that runs in parallel with design and engineering, fully aligned with all relevant standards and requirements. This program includes planned wind tunnel testing to verify aerodynamic performance, thrust, and efficiency, as well as extensive acoustic testing to meet the noise level requirements. In addition, the system is designed to comply with a range of environmental conditions as defined by applicable standards and customer requirements. Beyond laboratory testing conditions, dedicated flight test campaigns are foreseen to validate real-world behavior and ensure seamless system integration on flying platforms. This approach ensures that performance, safety, and durability are always addressed throughout the entire product development process. To summarize all this, we can say that the CycloRotor is a propulsion technology designed to be integrated into both existing and novel aircraft concepts, unlocking new capabilities beyond the limits of conventional propulsion systems. It is a scalable and adaptable system engineered to serve a wide range of aircraft configurations and mission profiles. Let's remember, the CycloRotor is not about replacing existing technologies. It is about providing a new propulsion technology for a new era of aviation. Thanks for watching.